Greetings. Solution selling is simply the process of finding and solving sales prospects' problems versus selling based on features and benefits. You want to focus on the prospect's problem, not your product or service. There are 6 fundamental steps in solution selling. We cover each step in detail during our workshop series. The first step is to find a sales target in your market whose profile aligns to your offering. Next, you need to engage the sales target and share your capabilities so you can focus on problems that you can solve. As you share your capabilities, you are seeking to find challenges that align to your offerings. After you uncovered relevant problems, you want to present a proposed solution. Since there are likely competitors, including internal resources, you need to establish your proposal as the best and win the selection. Next, you need to gain agreement with the prospect on contractual terms, which typically include solution scope, schedule, and budget. These steps align with the basic sales pipeline stages, so you are building and advancing pipeline as you progress.